Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video we are playing some motocross and we're gonna pause the video and go into some FC after. Okay. Yeah, I'll do this narration, but
hope you brought your game face, cause if not, it's game over. That plain face, when with game face, when we raise stakes and we take over. No really deep for this energy that I'm bringing with. I hope you got some pieces, some green teeth for these skinny hits. Going hard till the lights out. They just wanna be like us. No time for no timeouts. All we know is to light them up. Spin cycle, that spin cycle, we washing them and then trying it up. Wrinkle them and then wear them out. There's somebody we
no, go back to the one. No. Right guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose Johnny. You know, go down. That one. You know what? No, we're not choosing that one. Oh, this one. He's stupid. Keep going. Let's do rain. That's cool.
Cause right now it's game over. They can't hold us, can't fold us. Feel that momentum change over. Star take off like a leg over. Never even could have came close. Pedigree of a wild one. That's something that you can't diagnose. Never knock me off one time.
See, if it was raining and the roof on top of it, there'd be no fun. What if there was clouds inside and turn like that? Look up, look out. Jesus. Who's other people? Yeah. Oh, it says AI. You just went flying, but down here. Oh, bro, I hate it. It's just if I don't get last. There's 9 rounds in there. Yeah, because it's like, I just added you to my face. Because seeing this, seeing this, it's knockout. So if you lose, if you get in last place, or you can knock out else. So see if you get last place in it, I think you get knocked out. I think that's how it works. Why not last place? Good to know. No, do you like literally are last place? Me and you just went flying there. I know, see, like, you're just flying there. Am I last place? And you're 8th. Wait, yeah, you are. Okay, I'm in 8th now. Wait, did you get eliminated? No, I got left fire. Same. That's it's not voting you to get left. It said vote some the dad to get knocked out. Vote someone else to get out. Yeah, that's AI generated. That's it. Oh yeah, you got knocked out. I got the jelly to knock out the jelly. Rising. AIG Rising. Knock out the guy that's in front of me. What's his name? AI Right, Benny Boss. There's something else. Never mind that. I wasn't second. What age took me right off my bike? I'm in 8th. And not locked out. No, I'm in 3rd. 4th. Oh no, I'm in 2nd. I'm in 2nd. Because this guy's cheating. Continue, first continue. I came 2nd. Hmm? What do you want? I'm gonna win it. Wait, are we not in a team? I swear we were in a team or something. Because we were lined up next to each other. And like we had number 2s. We both had number 2. So ready. Let's do 2. I'm in 1. Nah. I'm in 1. Do that. Go into compound tracks. Compound tracks. What's that? And now do MX compound. No, that's not it. MX. It's there. No, don't do that, don't do that. MX compound. Rain. Clear. Rain. I love rain. It looks good. And it is good. And it looks satisfying. Oh my. Do you know why I hate this stuff? There's no sidelines to tell you to keep in. No, there is. It puts some. Oh. Are we in a team? I'm guessing so. We're both wearing a suit. No, it's so dark. It doesn't matter. Oh no, no, it's not. I'm gonna relate. Oh, did you relate? Oh, did you see me go flying there? Oh, why did my bike went flying? I'm in 4th. What else? Oh no. What's happening? I'm gonna try it. No, that's good. It was cheap. Oh yeah, it was cheap. First, I'm in 2nd now. Now I'm in 1st else. We're doing good. I'm in 8th. I'm in 4th. Right. We're doing good. What? I've been knocked out. I'm in 1st. Oh no. Don't do what I'm in 1st. There's no one 7th. Yeah, I do something. I'm 3rd. Hi guys. Who said that there was no time to be close? Ah! That said it was his turn to be an 8. No, I mean not that. Advanced strong. No, that is advanced strong. Yeah, you're right. This does not have any things to show you where you're going. Oh, fine. Yeah, we should be knocked out. Oh, now you're more in front of me. I just took wrong. We just get a police from there. Oh no, don't. I'm second. What the hell, really? There are people now. Should I just ride into him? coming thing. Did you just see me? Yeah. Somebody just moved right near me. Hello, you guys. Where are you? I'm on all for you. What? I'll see you back. Oh no, just put me. Oh, shit. Can I go into all fire, please? I want to get on the floor. Wait, I'm behind you. Do you see me with this guy? Yeah. I came fourth. Keep playing this. This is actually fun. I came sixth in the thing. I want to see him win it actually. Alright. What happened? My ears cut me off. Guys, I guess I'm not on for this game. It thinks I'm so bad. It thinks I'm not bad, but it kicked me out. Right, I can't play it. Wait. Right guys, in 5 minutes, in a couple of minutes. Yeah, we played this for 11 minutes, so 2 more minutes, we're going to go into FC or Georgia stay on this. Yeah, let's stay on this, guys. This is fun. We'll have a different video. And loads of people like that. It looks satisfying. Yeah, this game. Oh. Cool. Oh no. Ready. Okay then. I've literally just... How about we do that compound track again? I like that compound track. Did you like that compound track? Oh. Let's do one. Treasure hunt, checkpoint. Let's do single event. Very easy AI. Right, join. How did I have two? Right, compound track, same. You know what? SX compound 4. This one, look. XS compound 4. The one above it, the one that we done last time. No. I hate that. That track's actually quite good. I'm not lying. Rain. Clear. I'm going for rain. I was going to go for clear. You don't care if you dink it or not. No, it's fine. It's at 29, isn't it? No, it's at 53. And then yours is at 54. Now 60. Now 100. How's loads of people with us then? It's AI. Oh, yeah, we're in a team. Here goes I just knocked someone off the bike. Get off your bike. I almost fell. I'm just moving. 4th Ellen. Get off your bike. Oh, you said 2 people off the bike. Get off your bike. Get off your bike. That's kind of funny. I just went, get off your bike. I'm just like, get off your bike. Oh no, Ella. What are we doing? What's supposed to do?
I need to win this one. We actually.
Was there only one round?
Yeah, it's not knockout, remember?
Get off your bike. Get off your bike. What place are you?
I am 4.
Yep. Big Daddy.
Oh, sorry, you just hit that.
That was very.
I'm 3rd.
This guy's getting in my nails, so that's why here we go, baby. Ready?
What the hell?
I seen him. One sec, I'm gonna. If you let me catch up, then I'll. Oh, I seen you. Whee! Did you just see me fly right across?
No. Oh my god. I'm down to 6. Well, she can't be an 8. You need to go faster.
Okay. It's just in the corners I'm being a bit slow.
And it's just when I'm getting flung off my bike by this guy, I'm going a bit slow.
Just when I'm flinging other people off their bikes, I'm getting a bit slow. Or they're getting a bit slow at the foot. Who's the guy that's flinging you off your bike? I'll go front.
He's on front of me.
Then you ride into me, fling off his bike.
It's hard. Because look how fast it's
You
going.
just need to skid onto their face.
I know, it's easy.
It's that simple.
But I'm nowhere near him is the thing. You're behind me, by the way.
How what place are you?
I'm 6. I done a skid and I fell off my bike.
I got my skid and I knocked someone off the bike and they saved me from falling off mine. It's this EV riding guy. Oh, did you see a motorbike just going flying?
No.
Lad, dear, I see
You know the guy that's in front of you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, get past him.
Then,
And the 5 people in front of me, I'll try to get past them. I've got 2,000 yards.
Oh, I had the chance there, but I just skidded out of action. This is donkey. Here I
Do I
am.
restart him?
I just done a wheelie. I want to fly off my bike. This guy's way in front of me. And I'm way late.
I'm also I'm not going. This guy's, see the guy that's way in front of you? He's way behind you.
It was way in front of me because he snapped me. Oh no, he's way behind me.
How? We're still in 8.
I know, but he was behind me. Look at him shaking.
You guys are so far behind.
I know where.
Can I get some PR?
Why do you need PR?
It's good. It's like good tracks. 56. Anything over 70 PR is good. Or I'll make that 90.
I got 50 PR by doing a fakie.
I've got 65. 114 next week. I'm gonna get 2,000 soon. What? Did you guys just see that? I'm about to get 2,000 now.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know if you are.
Oh, it's fine. What are you doing? Six. I'm 8. I'm so close to the grand limit. I'm going extra fast. I've got 50
Try to go at least 60 miles per hour.
Wait, it won't let me. No, it's stopping my engine. Why is there somebody behind me? Is that the guy in front of me? This guy in front is so noisy. See the guy that's first? He just overtook me. He's actually going pretty slow. Oh. See if you just don't hold into your brake. Look what happens here.
I got 6. Are you still going? I got 6. You're going to get in front of him now. You have to. You can't get last or else we'll get bad results. Go! You're so close, you're so close. Turn. No, you've got it. Continue.
See, next time, try not to get 8, right? And I'm going to try not to get, 6. We need to win one.
Once you got first.
No, you were first, but then you got second. Ready. Let's go into an actual track.
No. Oh, this
What about if we go into the Daytona beach?
This one?
No, the one across from there. No. Read it. Daytona beach. This actually looks quite nice, but clear. Yeah, because a beach is nice.
Why does that look cool?
Wait, what if that's what the track looks like? What if it's a literal beach we're racing on? Everybody's probably going to get
No, it's not a beach.
That's not a beach. No, but it's got palm trees and stuff.
Where?
If us two are on a team and there's only 2 more people, then they go like this field.
Right, we got a couple of seconds.
Sorry. Now watch me now.
Come on.
We are in a team.
No, don't go right up to it. Hold in.
Oh, good start by me, good start.
Oh, the L's, you almost knocked me off my bike.
Yeah, but I'm first.
Yes, you're first. That's actually so good. I'm first.
I'm second.
That's
This
what I'm not
track's
some
so
people off the
bad.
bike.
Why
This
does
track's
it
so
look
bad.
like a beach? At the corners it doesn't look like a beach, but at the actual parts it does look like a beach. The dirt like
I'm in 4th. That's actually quite good. If we win this one, I'm gonna go.
I'm 8th, which is not good.
I'm in 2nd, which is so good.
I just hit someone off the bike.
I'm in 1st. Yes, that's actually so good for us.
I'm 8th,
I'm 4th.
which is not good.
I'm 1st by a lot, which is also good.
And I'm 7th.
I'm 1st.
How am I still 7th? This guy's like 20 meters behind me. PR.
No, get in that way. I'm second. It's still okay, it's still okay.
Even if we come second, it's so good.
No, we need to come first. We came second before, but it's our time to come first.
PR.
Now I'm in third, I'm okay.
Don't worry, I'll go and knock these people off the place.
Now I'm in fifth.
No,
Don't focus on knocking them off our bikes because then you'll fall. Just focus on going fast.
only I just budged them off the track. And then I knocked another person off even though I'm not on that track. Did you see that kill? I just knocked the guy up.
Catch up.
That's not even on my track.
Some of these people are quite good.
I know.
Oh, I'm doing something. Right, I'm third. I'm doing quite good. Yeah, I'll catch up.
This 85 person is trash, but it's just this big park is so trash it has loads
It's
of
actually
bumps
okay.
at the corner. No, but at the corner it has bumps and stuff.
Okay, that is true though.
And I hate how the bumps just slow you down when it's supposed to be just a flat track too.
Yeah, that's actually.
I got 106 PR. I've never got that much PR before.
I've got 2,000. That's what I'm on.
Mine's 5,000 altogether.
Altogether, I'm in 7.
I just got 80 PR.
I'm in third. That's actually so good for
I'm
start.
in 7th by much. Even if I just stop for a couple of minutes. Okay, that's not good. Somebody's right behind me.
Well, lots of people are right behind me.
You know, like right behind me and just touching a view. No, it's not anymore.
Oh, I'm in second. Right, first. Come on, first. No, not yet. This guy's always been first for second. No, I'm so close there again.
Do you just need PR?
No, my software was closed. My software got closed mid when I was second. I was second place. About to turn into first.
That's
So close to winning it.
I was first place.
Good.
No, just before you left. Right guys, that'll be the end of this video. We might do a live stream, maybe. Just be. Right, there we go. Right, bye.